Hi everybody, this is a demo on how to use Freesoto, currently in release number 4. You click on login/signup, you click on or sign up, you put in your email, you put in your password, you confirm that password, and then you click on sign up. Now you can see the dashboard of Freesoto. Currently there are no freelancers or projects here, so first you will want to add a new project. You click on the plus button and add a new project. You give it a good name, you put in your budget, you type in the project date, and you hit the create button. If you have multiple projects, you can click on this filter button, and then you will only see the freelancers assigned to that specific project. Next, I will show you how to create a new freelancer. So again, click on the plus button and then select new freelancer. Type in the freelancer name, put in the profile link of where you found the freelancer. That might be Upwork or Fiverr or somewhere else, and then assign them to one of your projects. And you can also add an image if you have one. Click on the create button and you will see that the freelancer card has been created. Now you could do that for every freelancer, but this will get kind of tiresome. So instead I would recommend to use the Freesoto project brief creator. For that, again, click on the plus button and then click on new project brief. You add a nice title image, you define your budget, you set a timeline, you create a very accurate project description of the task you want the freelancers to do. Normally I create mine within Google Slides. Here's an example. So you would download the PDF from Google Slides and then go back into Freesoto and upload the PDF there. Next are the application questions that the freelancers will need to fill out. The top part is mandatory and the lower part is optional, and you can always add another question. Down here, a unique link has been generated for your brief, and you can share that on all the freelancer platforms. When a freelancer clicks on that link, they will be able to see your project brief and answer your questions. Next, we go back to the dashboard, and all the freelancers that apply through the project brief will be listed in the source column. By clicking this button on the freelancer card, you can move it. Once you start messaging the freelancers, move them here. And once you video call them, move them into this column. And if they are hired, move them into the hired column. If you click on any freelancer card, it opens up the freelancer detail page. Here you can rate the freelancers. The star ratings are very objective because every rating has an exact explanation. First, you'll rate the freelancers during the interview. And once you have hired them, you can click on this switch button to rate them on the hiring process separately. Freesoto will calculate an average based on all the ratings and display it up here. And then we also have these colors. These are subjective ratings. A freelancer could score well in all objective categories, but you still might not want to work with them because of personal reasons. Then you would set the color red, and the freelancer card would change its color accordingly. Another thing I want to touch on are these question marks. These are conversation starters. They give you inspiration on what to ask during messaging or when you video call the freelancers. The last thing I want to talk about is the search bar here at the top. You can look up freelancer names and also search for specific skills. If you click on this small button here, the freelancer detail page will open up. Just navigate to the middle of the page and assign the freelancer to your project. Thank you for your time and enjoy using Freesoto.